Welcome to Gambia Skills Directory,
where you can find real people
with real skills.
You can now search, find and hire tradesmen
in every corner of the Gambia.
Gambia Skills Directory connects exceptional tradesmen
to potential clients.
We provide a comprehensive online directory
that matches you to your dream tradesperson.
The platform enhances
access to skills
anytime,
anywhere.
It's a space for tradesmen to showcase their talent
and earn competitive advantage.
Skills that dare.
All skills,
one place.
My name is Binta Cham, and then I'm the CEO of Faiza's Kitchen and Food Processing. At Faiza's Kitchen and Food Processing, we do catering, we do events like weddings, office workshops, parties, and anything that you can think of. We have a kitchen. And then we have a food processing department. This that I'm holding is the all-purpose seasoning. The reason why I made the seasoning is I have a kitchen and then I do hot wings, shrimps and everything. So when the customers come, they'll be like, Faiza, your chicken is so delicious, what did you put there? So I decided to come with my own seasoning. There's the seasoning I used for fish, shrimps, wings. It's an all-purpose seasoning. You can use it to cook benachin, yassa and everything. So when I put this seasoning in my wings, after I have a hot wing sauce. After frying, I'll use the hot wing sauce and then pan fry it and then serve it to people, which is so delicious. And then you guys meet me, and then I was making the coconut flakes. This is the coconut flakes. This is how we do it. And then this is the end product of it. We start by cutting it into small sizes, and then after we prepare it, and then this is the end product of it. Yes, I started by selling in one school called Marina International. I used to sell the ebe, chakri, and then after having a training with the GYCC, a packaging training, I decided to change my business line into catering and food processing. Well, actually in Gambia, processing is not easy because we face a lot of challenges like packaging. Like all this packaging that you're seeing, I brought them from Senegal. So packaging is really a problem, and processing materials. I'll tell them not to stay at home and then be depending on people, because nowadays things are very hard. Everybody should try for him or herself. You should all get up and do something and earn a living for yourself. I am hoping to open a school for Faiza's Kitchen and Food Processing to train young girls, men, so that they can be productive in life and not to just be loitering around or taking people's things or stealing from here and there. Yeah. I love cooking. Cooking is one of my hobbies. I can even sit and think of something, create it and eat it. My mom used to say, Binet, yow da nga tiit torop, yow da nga toog xalaat dara rek defar ko rek mu neex ba bugga dee. Lan nga toogaat nii, tey toogaat nga de loo toogaat nii. So it's a passion. I just love cooking. Yeah. When they want to call me, they can call me on 761-7948 or 254-0004. Faiza's Kitchen is located at Sukuta, for now, but we are hoping to have our own restaurant and hotel school. Yeah.
Thank you.